Baby's parents are obviously doing a lot of laundry, but you should use a gentle and baby-friendly laundry detergent that is formulated according to your little one's delicate skin. But with so many options on the market, figuring out the right one can be challenging. That's why, to help you make reliable decision fast, we have selected and reviewed some of the best, safest baby laundry detergents available in market. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. Dreft Laundry Detergent Liquid Soap. It is a specially formulated detergent for babies' delicate and sensitive skin. Trusted by moms for over 80 years, it's the number 1 pediatrician recommended baby detergent, letting you swaddle your newborn in clean and soft fabric. Its hypoallergenic formula is designed to be tough on stains, while leaving clothes soft and irritant-free. It is formulated for both high-efficiency and standard washes. Number 2. Babyganics Baby Laundry Detergent. This Babyganics detergent is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, chlorine-free, phthalate-free and phosphate-free, and formulated without optical brighteners. It is dermatologist-tested and non-allergenic. Its plant and enzyme-based cleaning power blasts stains, so babies' clothes stay looking as new as their first use. Number 3. Mrs. Meyer's Baby Laundry Detergent. This laundry detergent features hard-working yet gentle cleaning agents, while also providing a special singular scent for your home. It contains surfactants from plant-derived sources, dirt and stain-fighting enzymes, essential oils and other thoughtfully chosen ingredients. It is compatible with high-efficiency washes, and concentrated for 64 loads of laundry. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Baby Laundry Detergent. It's a liquid washing detergent that's gentle on delicate skin, yet tough on stubborn baby stains. This gentle liquid baby detergent contains no preservatives, phosphates, dyes, brighteners or animal-derived ingredients, so it is great for newborns and infants. It is hypoallergenic, and also contains Arm & Hammer baking soda, to deliver pure and trusted freshness in every load, and it is compatible with high-efficiency washes. Number 5. All Liquid Laundry Detergent. It is specially formulated to be gentle on your baby's skin. This fragrance-free laundry detergent keeps your baby's bedding, soft toys and clothing clean. Wash out tough baby stains with stain lifters for concentrated cleaning power, and without dyes that irritate sensitive skin. Leave your baby's clothes smelling fresh after a wash with this lightly scented laundry detergent. It is safe to use in any washing machine and at any water temperature. This package includes 175 fluid ounce bottle that is enough for 100 loads. Number 6. 7th Generation Baby Laundry Detergent. This concentrated baby laundry detergent uses plant-based cleaning power to make quick work of your baby's most impressive spit-up. It works so great on your baby's washables including cloth diapers, because it's specially formulated to battle the tough stains only babies can make. It is free from synthetic fragrances, artificial brighteners and dyes. Its concentrated formula also uses less added water, so it delivers twice the loads of a typical laundry bottle. Number 7. 7th Generation Laundry Detergent. Its easy-dose auto-dosing technology measures the right amount every time. Just flip the bottle, give a firm squeeze and you're done. One squeeze is all you need. It is made with an advanced enzyme formula that fights tough stains, and it's a great choice for your busy family. It contains no dyes, fragrances or artificial brighteners. Number 8. Attitude Baby Laundry Detergent. This baby laundry detergent made with plant-based ingredients that keep baby clothes clean and comfortable. It is free and clear of dyes, irritating enzymes and known allergens, plus it is hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested.